Hello guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the list of uninstalled app history on Google Play. So if you guys want to see your history of installed apps on your phone but you've already uninstalled it, so I'm going to show you how. So first open the Google Play and then clicks on your profile icon at the top, and here go to manage apps and device. Okay, so click on manage. Okay, so here are the list of the apps that is currently installed on my phone. But if you want to see the history of the uninstalled apps, you can just click on the install here and choose not installed. Okay, so here are the list of the history of the apps that is I've already installed but now uninstall it on my phone. So maybe you want to, okay, I want to install it again. For example, I want to install this again. You can just click on the apps and then click on install to reinstall the apps. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.